guys, it's Janaxi, and for today's video, you guys are gonna join me in filling up my little sister's Easter baskets. Most of the things I already had, either from previous years or things that I've gotten along the way pre-quarantine. The majority of those things I already had before quarantine, which is a good thing. And if you would like to watch, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by showing you guys the baskets. So this white one is from Publix, and it's just it has the face of a bunny. And this next one is from Target, and it's pink. I like it because the handle can sit, but it just can't stand on its own. And the white one can stand, but it just can't sit back. Now I'm gonna show you guys some of the things that I'm going to put inside each basket. So this one is a paint your own ornament bee, and a bunny rabbit, and they both come with a little paint set and a paintbrush. I'm also including these little Bloomer's Island carrot seed pop and strawberry seed pop. They are biodegradable, compostable potato starch pop with seeds and growing medium inside, so I thought that was pretty cool. And then this is a little slime in a little chicken container. And that is Karina Garcia's pre-made slime from Craft City, and it's pretty cool because at the bottom it has these little bunny charms. And that is a Pick Me Pop Surprise Easter edition, so I'm not sure what's inside because it's a surprise. And that is a squishy. So in each basket, I'm also going to include a Poopsie slime surprise. So I think it's pretty cool because it's kind of themed like a toilet paper roll, so I thought that was adequate for the time. And they're each going to get a Hershey's Cookies and Cream bunny. So I had a giant bag of plastic eggs from last year, and so I was able to just use those, which was nice. So yeah, it's a lot of eggs. So what I did is that there were some jumbo eggs, so in those I tried to fit some of the larger snacks. So those are some Cheez-Its. And those are some sweet tarts. In the average sized eggs or the tiny eggs, I included some of the Hershey's eggs, creamy milk chocolate eggs, and some Reese's. So I realized that it was going to be easier for me to fill the eggs and quicker if I just did it off camera. So basically you just are gonna have to trust me that I filled them up. I didn't fill all of them. I filled some with candy like I showed. I also added some like money. So some had coins, some had dollar bills, and just knickknacks and stuff. The only thing I couldn't get to fit was the Kit Kats. So I started by adding some tissue paper, which, I mean, I just wanted to add some substance. I didn't really think I was going to need some paper grass, but I think for next year I'm probably going to get some. So in this video, I'm just going to show you guys me filling up the baskets. So basically everything that I already showed, and I think I ended up adding a few things. So I added some Trolls fruit snacks, some Peeps, and some Pillsbury mini chocolate chip cookies. I think that was it. And just some of the plastic eggs I included there just to add some more fillings. Oh, and those are the scrunchies. So inside some of those eggs, I added some Reese's peanut butter eggs and some Cadbury cream eggs. And that's just a closer look at the basket, all completed. I think afterwards I just tweaked them a little bit to make them look a little nicer. Just showing you guys some different angles. I want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like it and give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you want to. Also, if you want to, you could leave a comment, and I would really appreciate that. And stay tuned for the next video. Bye!